RK Records! With the new Kellogg's RK Record Club, you get hit EP records for only $4 and $9. Top numbers from the American Hit Parade. These Kellogg's Rice Krispies packets tell you how to get popular EP records for only...
This is a national emergency. Listen in carefully. At 8:44, 4 nuclear missiles were spotted heading for the United Kingdom, believed to be from the Soviet Union. Police, fire, and ambulance services will lead you to a shelter. If you are in an area where no bunkers are in sight, stay enclosed in a room. Block all windows, doors, back doors, air vents. His Majesty King George VI has been taken to an unknown area during this crisis. This is all from us at the BBC. We will listen to our nation's anthem as this crisis unfolds.